Hi. Thank you for waiting. But anyway, okay. Tell me the story of your situation.
Okay, ngayon po ma'am, student po ako sa Niagara College,
Oh,
Suwelan.
parehas kayo. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
pero ma-end next year pa po matatapos yung school po.
Next
sa
year,
April.
April 2024.
Oo.
Kailan ka dumating?
Yes po. Nung July.
July. Okay. July
Volunteer din po
2023.
Opo.
Okay, so you came here as international student.
Yes po.
April 2024 yung end na. Pati rin ba yung status mo April 2024
Ay,
din?
hindi po. July pa po matatapos yung student permit ko po.
Okay. So July pa matatapos yung student permit
Yes,
mo.
2024. Yes.
2024. So 1 year.
Yes po, 1 year.
Okay, so so international student, anong trabaho mo ngayon?
Ngayon po ma'am, wala. Nagpa-part-time lang sa laundry.
Oh, okay, part-time. Pero anong
Yes.
anong profession mo doon sa Pilipinas?
Nurse po ako ma'am.
Nurse. From Saudi ba?
Sa laundry.
Oh, okay, part-time. Pero anong
Yes.
anong profession mo doon sa Pilipinas?
Nurse po ako ma'am.
Nurse. From Saudi ba?
Opo, Saudi. Pero ang experience ko po sa Saudi ma'am is dental nurse assistant.
Dental nurse assistant. Okay.
8 years po ako doon.
8 years. Okay.
Yes.
Ilang taon ka na?
32 po.
32 years old. Okay. Alright, so anong gusto mong mangyari right now? Anong clarification ang gusto mong marinig?
Gusto ko po sana na kasi hindi na po ako magpa-plus 1.
What do you mean magpa-plus 1? That means
Nang-
re-enroll?
Opo, ayoko na po mag-add on ng program.
Okay, you don't want to go for program. Matatapos.
Oo.
Pero right now,
So, tatapusin
Go ahead.
ko lang po yung program ko po.
So, tinatapos mo yung program mo. Anong course mo?
Dental po. Dental
Dental
office
din?
admin. Yes.
Okay, that's good. At least tatapusin mo siya kasi eventually when you get your open permit after all this way of getting the requirements to be able to get the permanent residence pathway, you could be able to use that as a dental dental admin is a very good job as well dito sa Canada. But you need to have an open permit. Doon sa school na pinuntahan mo, ano ka ba? Yung sa school na doon sa school na pinuntahan mo, ano ka ba? Yung sa school na pinuntahan mo, ano ka ba? Tawag dito? Nag-o-offer ba sila ng open permit?
Ano po, after ng class, mag-apply po ako ng PGWP.
Okay. So nag-o-offer sila ng open permit.
Opo, after ng pag matapos ko po yung program.
Okay. So hold on to that. So
Pero right now po kasi ma'am,
right now, ayaw mo nang mag-enroll and then tapusin mo yung yung course mo.
Yes po.
And then anong gusto mong mangyari ngayon? Gusto mo bang gusto mo bang ikaw yung magpa-LMIA ka? Is that right?
yes po. Or kasi ma'am, kasama ko din po yung husband ko.
Kasama mo yung husband mo. Para ka rin yung
Oo.
kaibigan mo. Okay, so magpapa-open permit ka. So sabi mo nag-o-offer yung school ng open permit. Is that right?
And po ma'am, yung postgraduate working permit na 1 year,
Yes.
if matapos ko yung isang program.
Mhm. Yes. So that
Pero
means
po,
it's a
ma'am,
good thing. Okay?
Oo. Pero kasi, ang kinakabahan ko is yung partner ko, baka hindi ko po siya masali sa extension.
That's correct. Okay. So
Yeah.
so gusto ko rin, I think I need to set up yung yung gusto ko rin makausap yung asawa. Asawa mo ba or common law?
Asawa ko na po
Okay,
siya.
I need to talk to him also. I need to see the whole picture of your immigration.
Sige, sige.
Okay?
Sige po.
But anyway, that's fine. We're talking already right now. I always tell to everyone that when you come here as a student, it's not a guarantee for all of you to get the permanent residence. Even if you
Yes
finish
po.
your yung studies mo even if you don't finish it, it doesn't matter. You always have to find a way of changing from being international student. You have an option to finish or not, pero always you have to remember na kailangan mong maghanap ng sponsor as an employer, di ba? So I think,
yes po, ma'am.
yeah, so that's the biggest thing right now na kailangan yung gawin. It's very challenging, but nakahanap ka ba ng employer na magbibigay sa iyo ng LMIA?
Hindi pa po, ma'am. Yan po ang sanang ipaano namin sa inyo. Baka meron.
Okay. So, well,
Pero ngayon, ma'am, yung husband ko kasi, ma'am, nasa agri pilot program siya.
Okay.
Pero ang ano namin, ma'am, kasi hindi daw counted yung pag naka-open work permit ka, dapat yung company daw is under LAMEA na siya working permit. So, hindi siya counted yung experience niya.
That's true. I think, sino nagsabi sa'yo yan?
Yung yung tinatanong niya kasi yung manager nila.
Okay. Yung manager, immigration consultant ba?
Hindi po.
So, we need to
Kasi
clarify
parang willing
that.
willing naman po kasi siya, ma'am, na tulungan yung pang PR pathway daw namin.
Okay, that's
pero binabasa namin yung sa IRCC na binasa ko kasi na hindi nga allowed yung parang hindi siya eligible.
So you know what? Yung asawa mo, nurse din ba siya?
Hindi po. Ano po siya, ma'am? Natapos niya po yung culinary cook.
Cook siya.
Pero wala kasi siyang mahanap na work.
Okay.
So nag-ano siya ngayon sa poultry.
Okay, doon sa sa poultry. Pero full-time ba siya doon ngayon?
Oo, yes, ma'am.
That's good.
Full-time po siya.
Okay, so I think I have to focus on you. Kailangan mong makahanap ng LMIA na pwedeng mag-offer sa iyo ng LMIA to change from being an international student. I know makakakuha ka rin ng open permit mo eventually, but it is also safe pa rin for you to get an LMIA kung may mag-o-offer sa'yo ng LMIA. Pag may nag-offer sa'yo ng trabaho as a nanny or as a caregiver kasi nurse ka nga yung background mo, then mas malakas yung case mo kasi nga if you think about it, your qualification is good. So I think that's the only way for you to do, guys. May mga anak ba kayo dito?
Wala pa po, ma'am.
Okay. So ito yung plan. Okay? So, ikaw, pumunta ka ditong international student. You came here on April 2023. Matatapos yung status mo by July 2024. Nag-work ka as part-time. I don't mind about that. What I care right now is that you are studying. I like that. I believe you have money to study. Kasi yung iba, they don't continue anymore. So, but I'm not encouraging you guys to stop. That is a good thing.
Dapat, ma'am, kasi yung plano namin, magsa-stop na lang sana kung pag may nakahanap ng LMIA kasi sayangin yung pang next na tuition.
Yes.
So, unfortunately, wala kami nakita.
I know, mahirap right now, honestly.
Mahirap.
Kasi pinagsabay ng immigration ang magparating ng tourist visa na katakot-takot na volume, and then estudyante. Yun yung mga pinapapasok nila nowadays. So that's I don't know what's the reason behind, but I believe it's because yung time na before na nag-decide sila na then estudyante. Yun yung mga pinapapasok nila nowadays. So that's I don't know what's the reason behind, but I believe it's because yung time na before na nag-decide sila na winelcome nila yung mga estudyante at mga tourist visa, especially mga Filipino. Actually during that time wala kaming ma-hire na mga workers from the restaurant. I myself own a restaurant and I can't even find somebody to work with us. And then ito na yung ginawang solusyon ng government, which is pinapasok nila ng pinapasok. Especially we were welcome as Filipinos, winelcome nila talaga tayo na parang close na yung eyes nila just to approve yung mga visa nila, but not everybody naman. 98% I believe winelcome nila yung mga tourists at saka estudyante. So naging challenging sa mga estudyante ngayon dahil syempre pag tourist, of course mas mababa yung sahod na kukunin kasi nga pag tourist they're not allowed to work, but may mga agreement sila yun yung mga nangyayari nowadays may agreement yung worker na sila na yung kukuha ng sahod na lower than the minimum. Siyempre estudyante, you can declare kasi may open permit kayo and then doon na nagkaroon ng challenges. But again, whatever you are here in Canada, it's not a mistake. It's a good thing that you're here. You just need to i-line up mo lang yung you know, yung status mo and everything, and seeking a professional like what you're doing right now. You found me, the right person, a licensed immigration consultant, and then I think that's the smart thing to do. Okay? So
Yes, yes,
at least
ma'am.
hindi ka mapapaloko or hindi
Opo,
yung
ma'am, kasi
yung mga
madaming
advice.
scammer ngayon. Yun din yung ano namin.
Yeah, ang daming mga scammer nowadays.
Mm.
Ewan ko kung bakit ganun. Actually, the volume of scammers nowadays here in Canada, ang dami. As in talagang, the more na dumami yung estudyante at saka tourist, the more naman na dumami yung scammer. So that's the sad part.
Yeah.
But it's okay. At least you're talking to me now, okay? So,
Yes, ma'am.
in terms of LMIA, I believe what I always do is that to pag may nakilala ako, kasi hindi ako agency, pag may nakilala ako na somebody who can offer you LMIA, I will let you know. You have my number. I'll definitely
Yes,
offer
po.
you that, and tingnan natin, and then we'll go from there. I process LMIA, I process work permit sa mga international student. I do that. That's my specialization. So don't worry about
I see.
that. But
Yes,
right
ma'am.
now, I suggest for now, stick to what you're doing. You're studying, doing part-time,
Yes.
let your husband work, and then
Uh-huh.
eventually, guys, I believe that eventually makukuha nyo rin yung permanent residence nyo. You're not desperate, to be honest with you. Ang daming mga nakausap ko na super desperate yung kanilang sitwasyon, and again, of course, there's always a solution. I always have a solution.
Yes,
I know that there are more than 70 immigration program dito sa Canada in order for you to actually be able to get that permanent residence eventually. But it's challenging. It's expensive, honestly. But again, when you pay people na immigration professional, at least, yes, it is expensive, pero mahanap mo din yung mga yun eventually eh. But at the end of the day, yung heartbreak na iiwasan, and then yung mga shocking moments na iiwasan, right? So, yeah, so far ganon, I will definitely keep your number, and then I will
Yes,
let you
ma'am.
know kapag mayroong ano. So ganito ang gawin mo, i-email mo at i-text mo sa akin yung information mo. Then pag nakahanap ako or may nagparamdam sa akin na willing na magbigay ng LMIA, why not, right? So
Okay, ma'am.
ganon. Any more question before I end this?
Pag makakahanap po ng LMIA, ma'am, yung husband ko po, dependent ko din siya.
You know what? Your husband will be different na kapag ka nakahanap tayo ng LMIA. Kaya lang, it's okay. We have another way in that. Hindi natin siya pauuwin. We have another way with those things. So don't worry. Okay? So right
Okay.
now, do whatever you're doing. With your husband, hindi ka niya iiwan. Don't worry. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Alright,
Maraming
you're welcome.
salamat
So
po
text
talaga,
me your
ma'am.
information and we'll go from there. Okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a
Bye.
nice day. Bye.
So as what I always say to everyone, guys, yes, you came here as international student, you studied or not, wala pa ring guarantee for you to be able to get the permanent residence. Walang direct pathway for permanent residence kapag ka pumunta ka ditong estudyante. However, there's a lot of But remember this, yes, may magbibigay sa'yo ng LMIA, that's true, but yung LMIA at saka job na yon, is there any pathway kaya for you to be able to get your permanent residence eventually after you accumulate at least 1 year or 2 years experience? Yun yung question eh. But right now, be careful kasi yes, may magbibigay sa'yo ng LMIA, wala namang pathway, then that's a different story. So ngayon, I always recommend when you're coming here as an international student, I ask you to get an LMIA na mag-offer sa'yo, but pinaka-highly recommendation ko is a nanny or caregiver. Kasi special work permit ang nanny at saka caregiver. Right now, na-approvean kahit walang experience sa nanny sa work permit. Ngayon, after 1 year you work, may pathway ka to get your permanent residence after 1 year, then it doesn't matter kasi nga ang gagamitin mo to get your permanent residence is that yung na-accumulate mo na declared nanny or caregiver job for 1 year for you to be able to get the permanent residence. So, yun lang po. I will try my best to come back again for a live consultation later. I will read all your information in here and I will come back with some of my team para ma-answeran ko po yung mga sitwasyon nyo. So, I hope everyone na share this. Actually, it's very important. Napaka ano po, precious itong ginagawa ko kasi I want to tell everyone that this is the